We're 8 km in on the Fisher's Track, part of the Mountains to Sea, and heading at the moment due west. We're on a very pebbly kind of surface, making riding at speed a bit difficult, but we're heading over to those mountains in the distance there, down into a valley now. We've just left the gravel road and now we're starting a downhill section, mostly on farmland. There's been a few warning signs around about poaching and about dogs being shot on sight. A little unfriendly, but I guess if it's your property, it's your property. So here we go, we're off on a big downhill. We're at the 11k mark, and clearly there was some dwellings here, as there's a few old telegraph poles along the side of the road. We're at 11 kilometres in, and we're coming to a boundary gate. Just a warning to always close the gates behind you. Here we are at the bottom of the Ruakatori Valley, and we're in front of this amazing statue or sculpture of a horse, completely made of horseshoes, signifying the contribution that horses have made throughout history to this district, both in war and in agriculture. Just come down the Ritaruki Valley on Fisher's Track and come across this First World War memorial with a broken column signifying life cut short and broken families. This is a First World War memorial, and sadly they had to come back, make a second one, a slab of stone with names on it for the Second World War. But this is totally not uncommon throughout very remote places in New Zealand. Heading west on Kaitiiki Road, about to do a 650 metre climb on loose and bumpy gravel.